Plus, Manufacturing Inc. is proud to announce that its soap-free PROCYON Plus Powder has been awarded the prestigious Green Seal certification. This certification reflects our commitment to delivering eco-friendly and superior quality cleaning solutions. The Green Seal certification signifies that our product meets the rigorous standards outlined in GS 37 edition 7.8 cleaning products for industrial and institutional use. Customers can trust soap-free PROCYON Plus Powder to provide effective cleaning while being environmentally responsible. We are dedicated to sustainability and developing cleaners that are safer for custodial staff, building occupants, and the environment. This achievement sets a new benchmark for the industrial cleaning industry. Our renewal of the Green Seal certification showcases our long history as an environmental leader in the cleaning industry. As consumers become more conscious of their ecological footprint, we are proud to offer a product that aligns with these values. Soap-free PROCYON Plus Powder continues to set the standard for eco-friendly cleaning products. We are honored to provide a certified product that surpasses the highest standards and speaks to our unwavering commitment to sustainability and the environment. In addition to its Green Seal certification, soap-free PROCYON Plus Powder contains no hazardous chemicals that are harmful to health or the environment. It is free of per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, ensuring a cleaner and greener future for all. At Plus Manufacturing, we believe in creating products that don't compromise on quality or eco-friendliness. Consumers can trust soap-free PROCYON to deliver superior cleaning without the toxic trade-offs found in some traditional cleaners. For more information on soap-free PROCYON's range of products or our Green Seal certification, please visit www.soapfreeprocyon.com.